Hello everyone, welcome to Unit 2, Production, Costs, Profit and Market Structure. This unit looks at the basic of production theory. It looks at how inputs are used to produce output, goods and services in this case. It also looks at the use of technology and how technology helps in improving on the production process. You will be exposed to different types of costs as well as different types of inputs. When we look at inputs, for example, there are two types. One is called fixed and the other is called variable. Fixed input basically means in a given time frame, the inputs cannot be increased in quantity. Variable inputs, however, can be changed at any point in time. Therefore, time becomes a very important criteria to decide on the type of inputs you should be using in a production process. Hence, you should be looking at short run and long run production processes. You will also be exposed to the different types of costing that occurs in the short run as well as in the long run of a production process. For example, you will be exposed to marginal cost, average cost, fixed cost, variable cost, total cost. These are costs that are necessary for you to decide on what is the right amount of output to be produced to be able to garner enough revenue to cover the costs. The first portion of this unit ends with a study on the break-even analysis. It will look at how much output a firm has to produce to be able to earn enough to cover all the costs. Now, the second part of this unit looks at market structure. Now, when you look at market structure, it basically means the market or firms is divided into 4 different types. It starts with what we call perfectly competitive market. Then we look at a monopolistic market. We look at an oligopoly market. And we look at a monopoly market. The simplest here would be monopoly market. Monopoly basically means a single firm. The entire economy is run by a single firm producing a single product. For example, the electricity supply in a country is a good example of monopoly market. You may also find oligopoly as a market structure you're familiar with. The airlines industry, for example, is a good example of oligopolistic market structure. It is crucial for you to understand the kind of profits that different market structures make. For example, a monopoly makes huge profits in the long run, but a perfectly competitive market makes what we call normal profit in the long run. Normal profit basically means that the profit that they make is enough to cover the costs of production. Now, this happens because a perfectly competitive market has homogeneous substitutes, meaning every other firm in the market structure produces the exact identical same products. Therefore, consumers can buy their products from any seller they want. That looks at the second portion of this unit. This is important when you move to the next unit, Unit 3, which looks at macroeconomic principles. I shall see you in Unit 3. Thank you.